Hi, Charlotte. What are you doing? Are you playing with those feet? Say, just a couple weeks ago, Charlotte discovered her feet. And she thinks they're the best toys ever. Yes, you do. They're pretty good toys. Yes. What about your dog? Can you roll over and get your dog like you did yesterday? Can you show Mommy how you rolled over like yesterday? Do you want to come get it? Good girl, keep coming. Nah, you'll play with the feet instead. What do you think? Is it worth it? Is it too much effort? Okay.